Hey guys, it's your girl Jada Lachey here, and today we are going to be doing a video on this bomb, beautiful Brazilian curly hair. And yes, I did customize my frontal and everything. This is a Brazilian curly wig, and it is in 12 inches, and I got it from this company called Sogoodhair. It's upside down. Sogoodhair. And this hair came within 2 days or 3 days, I believe. It came very, very quick in the mail. And I love this wig so much. It didn't take much for me to customize it and install it. I just bleached it and I plucked it and did my baby hairs. So I really actually recommend this hair. It is so freaking soft, and I didn't get no type of shedding, like none whatsoever, when I was actually washing the wig, because I did wash the wig just to see the true colors, and I do feel like this side is a little bit looser than this side, but I could be tripping. This is what the back looks like. Hopefully y'all can see. But yes, in the bag, they just sent the hair in this type of bag right here, and it just says curly 12-inch, and it's 150 density. That is the density of the wig. And then they sent me a wig cap, which I did not use. I just put this on my regular head because sometimes wig caps makes the wig look a little bit too fake, in my opinion. You don't need a whole bunch of extra stuff underneath your wig. I mean, for protection, yes, to protect your edges. That's the only reason why I feel like you should do the wig cap method, unless the wig cap that you're using matches exactly your skin. This wig cap is clearly too dark, so I was not gonna put that on top of my head. And then on the back, it gives you wig care instructions, and it says always use a wide tooth comb or detangling comb and gently brush the hair while holding it down with your other hand to prevent unnecessary tension and pulling. Before shampooing your hair, always detangle it. Always wash your hair gently in a downward motion using your fingers. Please use a low pH shampoo and a good conditioner on the hair. Do not scrub or brush the hair together, as this will cause cuticles to open up and rub against each other, which can cause tangling. And then it just has their contact information, which includes their telephone, their email, their Instagram, their Facebook, and their YouTube. And they also had sent me, I don't know where it's at, but they had sent me just a little wig band in the package as well. And it's not, honestly, it's really not much to say about this hair. That is so soft. It kind of smells like, it smells like a factory, but it's not strong and it doesn't stink. But you can tell, like, you know, some hairs have that like certain smell, and you can tell that this hair was in a factory of some sort. Usually, like the last hair I got, it didn't smell like anything. This smells like a factory type of thing, but it doesn't stink, if that makes any sense. This is 150 density, so it's very lightweight. It feels so good to have a short wig. You guys are understanding. It's so hot where I'm at, and I applied this wig with wig tape because that's what I use, because it's easier and you don't have to wait for anything to dry. And ooh, look at that plucking. It looks like a scalp, does it not? Okay. But yeah, if you guys want to see a video of me installing this wig, please let me know. But that is basically all for this video. I do recommend this hair. It came very quickly. This wig is cheap, and I feel like it's actually like good quality. Like, I really do feel like it's good quality. You guys know I wouldn't lie about no wig. It's not that serious. So I do recommend this, and all the links and everything, the details with this hair will be down in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, make sure y'all check that out. And on my social medias, my email, my my Snapchat and my Instagram will be in the description box as well. If you guys have any further questions on this hair, please feel free to comment or ask any questions you guys would like to. But this hair is the bomb so far, so y'all better get y'all some before summer's over, because this is a cute summer look. But yes, that is about it, y'all. And I just want to give Sogoodhair a thank you for collaborating with me on this video. I really like you guys' hair, and I love the communication and all around just your whole company. You guys did a good job with this one. So that's about it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all leave some comments down below for me. Bye.